Hi, welcome. This project named Blockchain for Secure EHR Sharing of Mobile Cloud Based e-health System. EHR means Electronic Health Record. It is the latest IEEE project. It comes under the domain blockchain as well as it comes under web security. What is blockchain? A blockchain is nothing but a powerful storage system on the web. Once you store any transaction, any data in blockchain, it is highly secured and even hackers cannot able to get the data and corrupt the data. The definition of a blockchain is there. A blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks, which are linked using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. By default, a blockchain is a powerful technique in storing your data in cloud with web security. This is a very powerful high-end technology latestly introduced in the market. The technology used here are user-defined blockchain. What is by user-defined blockchain means we programmer, we only creating a blockchain concept. We are not using the already existing blockchain services. We are developing our own blockchain thing. And cloud computing. We are storing the data in a cloud storage, so that we call it as a cloud computing. This entire package is developed using Java, advanced Java. That means servlet JSP with the architecture, MVC architecture we are developing. And MySQL is a backend database. And Eclipse is a IDE, that is an integrated development environment. Electronic health record. For example, a human sometime has to go to the hospital and they will go for some checkup or some treatment. The records are given manually nowadays in a paper and other thing. It is very difficult for us to keep track of that those record. What happened 5 years before, 10 years before, even last year also. Some can able to misplace their records and they are suffering. Okay, so that the idea comes here is a electronic health record. That means your all health report will be converted to digital and it will be stored in a cloud storage. That is called electronic health record. When we are storing your data in a cloud is a public access, no, so that anybody can able to hack and take your data. So that health records are very sensitive. How to safeguard your sensitive record in the cloud, that is a very, very important thing that we are going to discuss in this system. The existing things are there. They are storing the electronic health record with a simple encryption methodology, and it is already proven even encryption things also hackers can able to hack and take the data. So that we are looking for the something very secure high level thing where the hackers or anyone can able to take the data. That is our proposed system going to happen. In our proposed system, we are going to come up with an blockchain. In the blockchain we are storing the record. It is a very secured. In blockchain there is a cryptography concept is there, hashing technique is there, compression technique is there, and one more thing, distributed technology also there in the blockchain. And once the distributed technology is there, it is very difficult for the hacker to take the thing. Nobody so far hacked the blockchain. That is the thing. And one more thing, for the access control in this project we are using attribute based encryption. That is attribute based encryption means you are uploading the file into the cloud. You can able to tell your current health examination report can able to access to by your family doctor and the insurance agent. Your history can able to access by your family doctor. Insurance person cannot able to access your old record. Like that you can able to give the access policy. That is also possible. For that we are using ABE, attribute based encryption. The methodology, user defined blockchain, attribute based encryption. It inside use the asymmetric cryptography, hashing technique. We are using MD5 or SHA1 hashing. Compression technique we are using, cloud storage, smart contract. What is smart contract? The data what you stored in the cloud, where you can able to check whether the data is same what you stored or it is modified or not. That is called smart contract. That is also we are achieved in this system. Thank you for listening. Handle your project easily. Visit our website www.dhsinformatics.com. For any further information, mail us to info@dhsinformatics.com or feel free to call 9886692401. 9845166723. We are in WhatsApp also. You can for any inquiries and other thing, you can send a WhatsApp message also. Thank you for listening.